For millennia, humanity has grappled with the fragility of the body, the ravages of injury, and the yearning for restoration. But what if the mastery of reshaping human features, restoring dignity, identity, and life itself, began not in the advanced clinics of recent centuries, but in the distant dawn of civilization, under conditions we can barely comprehend? Welcome to Echoes of Time, your portal to the forgotten pages of history, where we embark on a journey to unearth a secret long buried beneath the dust of centuries, the true origins of plastic surgery. We often relegate reconstructive and cosmetic procedures to the modern era, associating their inception with the dramatic medical innovations spurred by 20th century warfare and the relentless march of scientific discovery. The image of the skilled surgeon, gloved and gowned, meticulously correcting a deformity or rebuilding a lost feature, feels inherently contemporary. Yet, this perception, as compelling as it is, obscures a profound truth. Long before the advent of anesthesia, antiseptics, or even a rudimentary understanding of germ theory, the world held pioneers who ventured into the forbidden realms of human anatomy, daring to mend, to reshape, to heal in ways that defy our contemporary understanding of their capabilities. These were not just rudimentary attempts. Evidence suggests complex surgical interventions that hint at a sophisticated, perhaps even forgotten medical knowledge. Our journey takes us across vast and ancient landscapes, from the sun-baked lands of ancient Egypt, where the secrets of mummification offered unparalleled insights into the human form, to the bustling, cosmopolitan cities of the Roman Empire, a civilization renowned for its pragmatic approaches to warfare and medicine. And then, further east, to the sophisticated medical traditions of ancient India, a cradle of philosophical thought and profound scientific inquiry. In these disparate corners of the ancient world, whispers of an astonishing practice emerge, suggesting that the intricate art of reshaping human features, be it to repair grievous battle wounds, to correct congenital deformities present from birth, or even, in more subtle ways, to enhance appearance, was not merely contemplated, but actively pursued. The evidence is fragmented, yet compelling. It manifests in the form of early medical texts, painstakingly inscribed on papyrus or etched onto palm leaves, chronicling procedures with a surprising level of detail. It emerges from archaeological findings, unearthed tools that, upon closer inspection, bear a striking resemblance to instruments used in delicate surgical work. And, perhaps most poignantly, it surfaces from skeletal remains, silent witnesses to lives lived and bodies transformed, displaying healed bone structures that testify to interventions beyond simple wound dressing. These aren't just isolated anomalies. They are echoes of a medical tradition that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible in an era defined by struggle and rudimentary technology. The central enigma persists. How did practitioners, without the safety nets of modern anesthesia to quell agony or antiseptic techniques to ward off the omnipresent threat of infection, achieve such intricate results? Was it merely rudimentary skill, guided by sheer desperation in the face of suffering? Or does this remarkable legacy point towards a profound, forgotten understanding of anatomy and the subtle processes of human healing, a knowledge that allowed them to navigate the perilous terrain of the human body with an almost uncanny precision? Consider, for a moment, the specific accounts from ancient India, particularly those attributed to the legendary figure of Sushruta. His treatises, astonishingly comprehensive, describe remarkably detailed rhinoplasty techniques, methods for reconstructing a damaged nose. Crucially, these texts speak of using skin grafts, carefully harvested from the cheek or the forehead, to rebuild lost tissue. These are not vague, speculative descriptions. They are precise, anatomical instructions that bear a striking, almost unsettling, resemblance to the very techniques employed by plastic surgeons today. The thought that medical practitioners millennia ago were performing procedures that echo modern reconstructive surgery begs a fundamental question. Did humanity once possess knowledge that was then lost, only to be laboriously rediscovered centuries later? The very idea challenges our linear perception of progress. It forces us to confront the possibility that the annals of history are not a simple progression from ignorance to enlightenment, but a complex tapestry woven with threads of discovery, loss, and rediscovery. The mastery of these ancient surgeons, their profound ingenuity in the face of overwhelming odds, serves as a powerful testament to the enduring human drive to alleviate suffering, restore normalcy, and even to pursue ideals of beauty. Yet, the full extent of these practices and the motivations behind them remain shrouded in a tantalizing veil of mystery. Scholars today engage in fervent debate, attempting to piece together the fragmented clues and reconcile them with our understanding of ancient capabilities. One perspective cautiously argues that while detailed descriptions of procedures undeniably exist, the actual successful outcomes might have been exceedingly rare, severely limited by the brutal realities of infection, overwhelming pain, and the almost inevitable complications that would arise in a pre-antibiotic world. Perhaps these descriptions represented aspirational ideals rather than commonplace successful interventions. A second, more audacious perspective suggests that the historical record we possess might be incomplete or even misleading. Could selective reporting, where only successes or certain types of procedures were documented, mask a deeper, more widespread surgical prowess? Or perhaps ritualistic interpretations of healing, where medical acts were intertwined with religious beliefs or spiritual practices, obscured the purely surgical accomplishments, leading us to underestimate the true capabilities of these ancient practitioners. This viewpoint posits that there might have existed a sophisticated medical caste, possessing specialized knowledge and skills far beyond what we currently acknowledge, their genuine surgical achievements subtly woven into the fabric of other societal functions. A third, nuanced perspective acknowledges the existence of these procedures but suggests they were not widespread. Instead, these intricate interventions might have been confined to very specific regions or to an elite cadre of highly specialized healers. Such knowledge, it is theorized, could have been meticulously passed down through secretive apprenticeships, from master to chosen pupil, preserving a unique form of medical heritage. This would explain why the evidence is so fragmented and why the overall impact of these truly pioneering procedures on ancient societies remains exceedingly difficult to gauge, making them seem more like isolated marvels than systemic medical practices. These scholarly debates are not merely academic exercises. They are profound attempts to unravel a persistent enigma, to reconcile the astonishing descriptions with the known limitations of the ancient world. They compel us to question our assumptions about progress, about where true innovation begins, and about the nature of knowledge itself. Was this ancient knowledge a direct, unbroken lineage of understanding, or did it blossom independently in different cultures, demonstrating a universal human capacity for ingenuity? And if such sophisticated medical knowledge existed, why did it not become a foundation for continuous, accelerated progress in every subsequent era? The answers, if they exist, are complex and multifaceted, requiring us to look beyond simplistic narratives of historical development. The very concept of a forgotten understanding evokes a powerful sense of loss, a chilling reminder that humanity's collective memory is imperfect, and that invaluable knowledge can slip through the cracks of time, only to be rediscovered centuries, even millennia later. The detailed techniques described by Sushruta, for example, offer a compelling case for such a scenario, hinting at a lost golden age of medical insight that modern science is only now beginning to fully appreciate and replicate. Could it be that these ancient healers possessed keys to healing that we are only now unlocking, albeit with different tools and a more comprehensive scientific framework? Uncovering the astonishing truth behind history's forgotten medical innovators is more than an academic pursuit. It is a profound journey into the very heart of human resilience and ingenuity. What truly drove these early surgeons to push the boundaries of healing and aesthetics in the absence of anything resembling modern medical support? Was it a profound empathy for suffering, an insatiable curiosity about the workings of the human body, or perhaps a societal demand for restoration in a world fraught with danger and injury? And what secrets do their methods, their philosophies, and their audacious approaches to medicine hold for us today, as we grapple with the frontiers of modern surgery and the ethical considerations that accompany it? As we peer back through the echoes of time, we are reminded that history is not just a chronicle of kings and empires, but a testament to the unyielding human spirit, ever striving to overcome adversity, to heal, and to restore. The story of these hidden faces, these ancient history's first plastic surgeons, compels us to rethink our understanding of medicine, innovation, and the enduring echoes of humanity's great history that resonate even in the most unexpected corners of the past. Don't forget to subscribe to Echoes of Time and hit the notification bell so you never miss our captivating historical explorations. What other lost knowledge, what other forgotten brilliance might still lie waiting just beneath the surface of the ages, ready to challenge our perceptions of the world we inhabit today?